Imagine the U.S. job market cooling to levels not seen since the pandemic era. The latest Labor Department data shows unemployment has climbed to 4.6%, the highest since 2021, as the economy lost a combined 41,000 jobs across October and November. October alone saw 105,000 jobs disappear, largely driven by 162,000 federal workers, whose deferred buyouts took effect after contracts expired. November brought a modest gain of 64,000 jobs, but another 6,000 government positions were cut. Growth was concentrated in healthcare, construction, and social assistance, with healthcare adding 46,000 jobs, construction 28,000, and social assistance 18,000. Meanwhile, transportation and warehousing lost 18,000 jobs, and manufacturing continued to shrink, shedding jobs for the third straight month. Part-time workers forced into reduced hours rose sharply to 5.5 million. Critics say Trump's trade and immigration policies are stalling the economy and hurting workers. The Federal Reserve responded by cutting interest rates by 25 basis points, saying the labor market is cooling gradually. Wall Street reacted cautiously, with major indexes slipping after the report.